11 steps to make your best friend fall in love with you. Step 1. Don't talk about other people you like around them. One of the easiest ways to sabotage your chances is by talking about other people you're interested in. When you bring up your crushes, it creates a mental and emotional block that keeps your friend from seeing you as a romantic option. It sends the message, intentionally or not, that they aren't special to you in that way. Instead, focus on your shared bond and make them feel like they're the center of your attention. By keeping the conversation about the two of you, you create an intimate atmosphere where feelings can blossom naturally. This approach also helps them subconsciously realize that your emotional focus is directed toward them. You're building an exclusive connection that's free from outside distractions. This subtle shift can go a long way in changing how they perceive your relationship, moving from just friends to something much more meaningful. Step 2. Stop letting them talk about their crush. It might feel like your duty as a best friend to listen to their stories about someone they like, but it's not helping your cause. In fact, letting them vent about their crush only reinforces your role as the supportive friend they lean on, not the romantic partner they dream about. Gently steer conversations away from their crush and toward topics that highlight your shared interests or compatibility. By doing this, you create space for them to focus on the qualities you bring to the table. It's not about being manipulative, it's about shifting the narrative. When they stop dwelling on someone else, it gives them the chance to see you in a new, romantic light. Step 3. Flirt and compliment them. Flirting can be a game changer when done right. It doesn't have to be over the top. Keep it light, fun, and genuine. Compliment their personality, talents, or achievements, rather than focusing solely on their looks. Telling them how kind, funny, or talented they are shows that you value them as a whole person, not just their physical appearance. Playful banter and humor also help create romantic tension and make your time together more memorable. When your interactions are filled with laughter and positivity, you naturally become someone they look forward to being around. Flirting builds a bridge between friendship and romance, one fun and heartfelt moment at a time. Step 4. Don't spend too much time together. While it's tempting to always be around them, spending every waking moment together can dilute the spark. Familiarity breeds comfort, but too much comfort can keep you stuck in the friend zone. By giving them space, you create an opportunity for them to miss you and reflect on how much they enjoy your company. Balance is key. When you're apart, they'll have time to think about how special your connection is. This sense of longing can reignite excitement and deepen their appreciation for the time you do spend together. Step 5. Sit closer and touch them more. Physical closeness can work wonders in changing the dynamic of your relationship. Simple, natural gestures, like sitting closer during a conversation or lightly touching their arm, can help build romantic tension. These small acts create a sense of intimacy without overwhelming them. However, it's crucial to be mindful of their comfort level. Pay attention to how they respond and ensure that any physical contact feels natural and welcomed. These subtle actions signal your interest in a way that words often can't. Step 6. Don't be clingy. Independence is attractive. If you're constantly seeking their attention or approval, it might come across as needy and push them away. Instead, focus on your own passions, hobbies, and social life outside of your friendship. When they see that you have a fulfilling life, it makes you more intriguing and desirable. Confidence is magnetic, and showing that you don't rely solely on them for happiness can shift their perception of you. Step 7. Talk to them about deep, meaningful things. Surface-level conversations are fine, but emotional intimacy grows from deeper discussions. Talk about your dreams, fears, and values. Share your thoughts on life and listen carefully to theirs. These heartfelt exchanges build trust and allow both of you to connect on a deeper level. The more invested you both are in these moments, the more likely they are to see you as someone who truly understands and supports them. Step 8. Be a shoulder to lean on. Life isn't always smooth sailing, and being there for them during tough times shows your reliability and care. Whether they're going through a rough day or a major life challenge, your support can make all the difference. When you consistently show up for them emotionally, it reinforces the idea that you're not just a friend, but someone they can rely on in every aspect of life. This can plant the seeds for deeper feelings to grow. Step 9. Give them a hint. Sometimes subtlety is key. Drop hints about your feelings through playful teasing, lingering eye contact, or small compliments that show you see them differently than just a friend. These little moments give them time to process the possibility of something more without feeling pressured. It's a gentle nudge in the right direction, sparking curiosity about what a romantic relationship with you could look like. Step 10. Tell them how you feel. When the time feels right, be brave and express your feelings openly. Choose a comfortable, private setting where you can have an honest conversation. Tell them what makes them special to you and why you think you'd make a great pair. Regardless of their response, this moment shows your courage and authenticity. Even if they don't feel the same, you've set the foundation for clear communication and mutual respect. Step 11. Don't get too emotional if they say no. Rejection is never easy, especially when it comes from someone you care deeply about. But how you handle their response can shape the future of your relationship, whether it remains a friendship or something more down the line. If your best friend doesn't feel the same way, resist the urge to react emotionally. No tears, no anger, and definitely no guilt-tripping them. Instead, thank them for being honest with you and acknowledge how much their friendship means to you. This level of emotional maturity will not only preserve your connection, but also show them the kind of composed and understanding person you truly are. It's important to remember that rejection isn't necessarily the end of your story. Feelings can evolve over time. By maintaining your self-respect and staying true to who you are, you leave the door open for future possibilities. Sometimes, the best relationships grow when the timing is right for both people. So, keep your heart open, focus on continuing to be a great friend, and trust that love, whether with them or someone else, is always worth waiting for. Turning a close friendship into a romantic relationship is a delicate process that requires patience, honesty, and a lot of heart. Every step you take should prioritize respect for their feelings and the bond you already share. But here's the most important thing. Whether it works out or not, the journey itself can teach you valuable lessons about love and vulnerability. If you're curious about navigating relationships with friends, don't stop here. Check out our video, 10 Signs You Should Take Your Relationship from Friends to Lovers, for even more insights on knowing when it's the right time to make a move. Watch 15 Signs That a Friend Secretly Loves You to discover the subtle clues that your best friend might already have feelings for you. You might just find the answers you've been looking for. I'll put all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more tips on love and relationships. See you in the next video.